Get ready for the next big thing because Amazon CEO Andy Jassy thinks Amazon Leo is reminiscent of Oz. We are diving deep into why investors need to pay close attention to this massive expansion, exploring how this new satellite internet service could reshape the entire cloud landscape and what it means for Amazon's future revenue streams.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, OpenAI is making massive moves in India by hiring top leaders from Meta, Netflix, Google, and Oz to scale their operations. Find out how Karan Mani and other key executives are building out a comprehensive leadership structure across marketing, policy, and compute infrastructure to position India as a central hub for global AI adoption. Vodafone is solidifying its position in the European market by partnering with Oz to launch the European sovereign cloud in Germany. We break down how this collaboration, including the acquisition of Scalink, is giving enterprises and public sector organizations complete control over their data residency and security within the EU. Finally, AWS is scaling enterprise AI delivery by partnering with major consultancies like NTT Data, Reply, CGI, and Slalom. Discover how these strategic collaborations are moving AI from strategy into massive implementation, tackling everything from legacy modernization to securing European sovereignty, and what these partnerships mean for the future of cloud infrastructure. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy is drawing comparisons between Amazon's new satellite internet service, Amazon Leo, and Amazon Web Services, AWS, suggesting the latter could be a significant future revenue driver. Jassy stated during the company's fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings call that Amazon Leo is reminiscent of Oz in certain aspects, prompting investors to pay close attention to the development. Oz currently generates nearly 60% of Amazon's total operating income, underscoring its strategic importance. Jassy believes Amazon Leo, which will offer satellite internet services, has the potential to generate substantial new revenue streams for Amazon, including for Oz, by enabling governments and enterprises to store data, perform analytics, and utilize AI models on satellite data. Amazon plans to launch its commercial satellite internet service in the third quarter of 2026, having already deployed over 250 satellites and secured key partnerships with major entities such as AT&T, Delta Airlines, JetBlue, and NASA. The pending acquisition of Globalstar has secured a crucial customer, Apple, enabling Leo to power satellite services for iPhones and Apple Watches. While Elon Musk's Starlink operates a large satellite network, Jassy expressed strong optimism for Amazon Leo, noting that billions of people globally still lack broadband access. Jassy highlighted competitive advantages for Leo, claiming it will be 2x better on the downlink and 6x better on the uplink performance compared to existing alternatives, alongside a cost advantage. Jassy envisions Amazon Leo as a potential, very large, many-billion-dollar revenue business, with potential growth fueled by economies of scale once the satellite constellation is fully deployed. Furthermore, Jassy suggests bundling satellite internet with existing Amazon services like Prime Video or Amazon Music could boost residential customer adoption. Analysts suggest that while Amazon Leo's market opportunity may not match AWS's scale, the transition of Amazon into a global technology infrastructure stock, rather than solely an e-commerce stock, is a significant shift for investors to monitor. OpenAI is executing a comprehensive, high-level hiring strategy to rapidly scale its operations in India, signaling a shift from early market entry to long-term operational build-out. The company has recruited senior executives from major global tech players including Meta, Netflix, Google, AWS, Spotify, Intel, WhatsApp, and PayU to build out capabilities across marketing, policy, enterprise sales, compute infrastructure, and startup ecosystems. This coordinated hiring reflects a strategic positioning of India as both a significant market for AI adoption and a critical execution hub within OpenAI's broader Asia-Pacific strategy. To support this growth, OpenAI is preparing to expand its physical presence with planned offices in Mumbai and Bengaluru, supplementing its existing New Delhi base. Karan Mani has been appointed Managing Director for Asia-Pacific, tasked with overseeing expansion across key markets including India, Japan, and Indonesia. Mani's background, which includes leadership roles in Android and Google Play and APAC, aligns directly with OpenAI's public strategy, where CEO Sam Altman emphasized India's role as a partner in building AI infrastructure, skills, and local partnerships. Within India, leadership has been assembled across critical functions. Pragya Misra leads strategy and global affairs, focusing on policy and institutional engagement, drawing experience from Truecaller and WhatsApp India. Shiladitya Mohanty heads marketing for India, bringing expertise from Meta AI. Akash Itter, India's social lead, joins from Netflix, while Vasundhara Mudgal spearheads communications, with prior experience at Spotify India. For enterprise sales and infrastructure, Nitin Bhawankule brings experience from Google, AWS, and the Walt Disney Company, and Sachin Katti, who joined in a compute role, has a background as CTO at Intel and Deep Tech Ventures. Furthermore, OpenAI is strengthening its focus on the startup ecosystem, with Sanya Arora leading go-to-market for startups. Having previously worked at PayU, the overall hiring pattern underscores that OpenAI is not just pursuing commercial adoption, but is deeply embedding itself into India's AI infrastructure, policy landscape, and developer communities. Industry analysts view this move as a strategic response to intensifying competition in the generative AI sector, positioning India as a paramount global growth market for AI. Vodafone is significantly bolstering its cloud services in Germany by integrating the AWS European Sovereign Cloud, ensuring that all data is exclusively stored and processed within the European Union. This strategic move is underpinned by a new agreement with Amazon Web Services and is enhanced by Vodafone's recent acquisition of Scalink, a key provider of cloud solutions in Germany and Europe. The collaboration allows Vodafone to leverage Scalink's AWS-certified experts to advise and support organizations in migrating to the AWS European Sovereign Cloud. This initiative directly supports Vodafone's objective of enabling German businesses, public authorities, and critical infrastructure operators to adopt secure cloud services that meet stringent data sovereignty and residency requirements. The AWS European Sovereign Cloud is a specialized, independently operated cloud solution designed for European governments and regulated industries. It offers robust technical controls and legal assurances, with infrastructure located entirely within the EU, operating separately from other regions. Customers can deploy applications in the AWS region in Brandenburg, Germany, benefiting from low-latency connectivity while maintaining full control over their data. Vodafone Business EU Markets and TUAKI Director, Hagen Rickman, emphasized the necessity of a strong European cloud, stating, "A strong European economy needs a strong European cloud. Our continued collaboration with AWS allows us to deliver just that to our business customers and public authorities." Stefan Israel, Managing Director of the AWS European Sovereign Cloud, noted that the partnership combines the performance of the cloud with Vodafone's expertise, enabling secure innovation. He added, "We are very pleased to support Germany's digital future together with Vodafone." Vodafone is offering end-to-end services for secure and sovereign cloud and network solutions. Through locally managed services, Vodafone will assist clients in accessing advanced capabilities like analytics, AI, ML, and databases with reduced latency. The technical support provided by Scalink specialists includes designing customized, sovereign security architectures, known as landing zones, and delivering a cloud-as-a-service model via AWS to ensure a secure and sovereign environment. Amazon Web Services is strategically partnering with 4 major technology consultancies to accelerate the delivery and implementation of enterprise artificial intelligence programs. The collaboration, formalized through Strategic Collaboration Agreements, SCAs, signed since late January, signals a critical shift from AI strategy formulation to tangible execution across diverse industry landscapes. The partners involved include NTT Data, Reply, CGI, and Slalom, each bringing specialized expertise to address different facets of the enterprise AI journey. NTT Data has secured a multi-year agreement focused on large-scale cloud modernization, industry-specific solutions across sectors like financial services and healthcare, and the accelerated adoption of generative and agentic AI. A key component of this deal is NTT Data's role as a launch partner for the AWS European Sovereign Cloud, promising sovereign-by-design solutions for European governments and enterprises with stringent data residency needs. NTT Data is also investing heavily in building delivery capacity, targeting certification for nearly 10,000 experts to support future-ready deployments. Slalom's agreement centers on tackling legacy modernization, aiming to reduce timelines for multi-year programs by 50% to 70%. Their approach integrates OZ services like Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Q to map mainframe dependencies, exemplified by a project with La-Z-Boy, which is projected to yield over $1 million in annual cost reductions by decommissioning legacy systems. Reply's SCA emphasizes the regulatory and compliance aspects of advanced AI. This partnership focuses on enterprise-grade generative AI, agentic systems for autonomous workflows, and governance frameworks aligned with regulations such as the EU AI Act, DORA, NIS2, and GDPR, all underpinned by AWS European Sovereign Cloud. Reply has demonstrated practical application through developing multi-agent systems for clients like Audi and BMW. CGI's agreement is specifically targeted at the U.S. public sector, focusing on trusted AI, secure cloud adoption, and digital transformation across government, education, and healthcare. Their workstreams cover AI for analytics, fraud prevention, and citizen-facing digital services. These consulting alliances underscore a crucial market dynamic. While 95% of organizations possess an AI strategy, only 8% have established a return on investment. The primary bottleneck identified by industry analysts is not access to technology, but the ability to operate AI at scale. AWS's platform, including model partnerships and industry software alliances, is being successfully paired with systems integrators who possess the capability to modernize legacy environments, manage complex sovereignty requirements, translate AI into sector-specific workflows, and staff these large-scale programs. This ecosystem is further bolstered by AWS's own platform developments, including its exclusive role as the third-party cloud distribution provider for OpenAI frontier and industry-specific AI agents being deployed in manufacturing, demonstrating a tangible move toward operational AI delivery.